with total points of with a total of 95 points. The second runner-up is University of Asia and the Pacific, composed of Mr. Zach Villaroman, Chloe Rada, Johan Pancho, Casey Tyrone Howard, Arnil Paras, and Angelo Liwanag. May I call on stage members of the NCAA Management Committee headed by Chairman Melchor Divina, Dr. Lorenzo, Coach Das Castellano, Mr. Paul Suman, and Mr. Ayaw daw ni Peter Caico. Sabi nyo, Mr. Peter Caico. JMP, congratulations. May we call on the President and Father for photos. Congratulations. Sa ulitin, bakit hindi na kayo pasalihin ni Father ni President Philip? Congratulations, JMP.